Hi there, Stephen. It's Marcy here. I spoke with you earlier in regards to shooting this video for you. Now I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're most likely wondering, why would I be doing this, making videos for people? But why I do this is that when it comes to the internet, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, can you do this for me? So if by the end of the video you liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, then we can chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So I've got your site up here, and the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. And these are the things that carry the most weight when it comes to making your website more visible on the internet, getting it in front of more potential customers. So Google likes to see, what I mean by content is what I've got highlighted here, the images, the words that you've got on your homepage and throughout your site. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. It sounds like a lot, but the reason for this is when new sites hit the web, the first thing they do is send in the crawlers. They crawl the whole thing, and what they're wanting to discover for later, when to be able to match results, is they want to know what's the new information that's been added. And in your case, when it's a business and you're offering a service, like what are all the services that you offer, and what location are you offering them? So that then later on, when people search for things, they can match up the search results. So you can see that when they crawl and they'll come across one site that's just got very little content, and then there's another one in the same market that has the 1,500 words that they like, they'll see the ones with the 1,500 words as being the expert in the market, and they're going to show them higher in the search results. So that's absolutely an opportunity open here for you to add content to your homepage and help to tell Google what it is you do, so that they can show you when people search for you. Now I've used the search term for our example today was home renovation Vancouver. And the second thing, as I said, I'm going here to citations. All of these things is to help to make you more visible on the first page of the search, because we know that people don't go often much past the first page. So with citations, what a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So for example, 411 listing, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau listing, 3 best rated, any directory, any business directory, any place that Google goes out there and crawls and sees your business is cited in all these free, all over the place. So they shows them that you're a legit business. And the second thing that it does to help you in regards to this first page here is, if you have more citations, if you beat all your competitors with having citations, it's going to help to push you up higher in these search results of the map results. So best case scenario is getting up here, not having to click view all to find you. Stats show that these guys up here definitely getting the lion's share of the clicks on the first page of the search. So that's what you can do to help yourself get up there. Now the third thing is to help get your site up into this section below the map section. We call this the organic section, and it takes us to backlinks. So what a backlink is it's a link from a third-party site on the internet linking to your website. And how this helps you, the easiest way to explain how this helps you is, if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, so when other sites on the internet link to you or vote for you, Google's going to push you up higher in the search results. They see you as being, the popular one. The other sites are paying attention to you. So I've taken your site and I put it into a tool that shows us what goes on behind that we can't see. And I also took number 1 and 2 here. So, that's kind of what we figure out what work we have to do in order to get a site up into this position. As you look at the ones that are there, and you have to beat them. Just like the citations, you get more citations, and the content, you have more content and better content, and yeah, you just beat them on these 3 regards, and then you're gonna be up there. So here's the tool. Shows me that you've got 2 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you 8 backlinks, that you're being found for 13 keywords. This is where the content is important. You have to tell Google what it is you do and where. And then it's showing that on average you're getting about 4 clicks. About 4 people are visiting your site and finding your site organically. So not through a paid ad, but just coming across it through the search. So I took that number 1, and you can see they have 262 referring domains, other sites on the internet linking to them, giving them just about 1,000 backlinks, being found for about 1,500 keywords, and then 777 average visitors clicking on their website each month. Now the interesting thing here is we'll go to the one below him. You can see that's a fairly substantial difference. So, to get into that second spot, getting into the first spot is doable. Anything's doable. But you can see that this guy here has quite a bit less and is right there second, very visible on the first page. So 57 other websites linking to him, 172 keywords being organic keywords, and about 350 average clicks to his website per month. So I don't like to let these go too long, Stephen. I'm going to leave it at that. But just to quickly summarize, more content on your home page, more listed in more directories that you can find, and build a backlink profile. I'm going to send this off to you, email it off to you, and I will follow up. I want to make sure you receive it, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Talk to you soon.